what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Those of you that are new to the channel, thank you for being here. It is a beautiful Sunday. Today is November 11th, 2018, and it's almost time for the sunset. So I'm gonna be driving home in the sunset. Sometimes you just need a day of just sitting back and not really doing anything, which is what I did today. We talked so much on this channel about making the most, maximizing time, schedules, to-do lists, all that, but every once in a while, you gotta have a view like this, and that was today. And so I use these times, maybe you guys don't, but I use these times to kind of think of ideas and things that I want to do in the upcoming days and weeks and months. And this weekend was kind of eye-opening to me because we went to those garage sales on Saturday morning and made so much money in just like 30, 45 minutes of time that I was kind of reevaluating a lot of my sourcing. And I know you have to take what's available to you, and thankfully I live in a place where those are available to me pretty much all year round. Those of you that they aren't, you're gonna have to come up with some other things. And I've had some people who had some eye-opening experiences buying off Craigslist, buying off Facebook Marketplace and out of the groups, Macari, OfferUp, Letgo, just different sources besides your normal everyday thrifting stores. And sometimes if you just take a day like today and you sit down and you run through those ideas, and I don't mean going out and working or like sitting in front of your computer, I mean sitting out on a deck or a balcony or at a hotel or at a restaurant and just having a drink and just, you know, running through those. Maybe you've got somebody to bounce ideas off of and then executing them later, you know, taking the day to come up with them and then actually doing the work at a later time. And it really was eye-opening this weekend to see all of the things that were at garage sales in my area. I live in a very good neighborhood, a very good area, and so it shouldn't be shocking to me that I bought, you know, $300, $400 worth of stuff for 10 bucks, 20 bucks, but it was. And so I, you know, sitting down this weekend and kind of relaxing, I came up with the ideas that I need to go out more to the garage sales. I live in Florida, why wouldn't I? It makes sense, right? And so wherever it is you live, if you live in Minnesota, and I'm sorry, and it's snowing already, you gotta come up with being able to meet people, you know, off Craigslist or Facebook, because they don't have yard sales they can set up because it's too cold. They can't go to flea markets. They can't do any of that sort of thing because it's impossible where you live. So that gives you an opportunity to buy their merchandise because they have no other way to really sell it except on, you know, online websites and apps. So come up with what you have, take what's available, sit down, come up with some ideas, take a day off to yourself. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, which I'm going to touch on at the end of this video in just a minute. But if you have that day off where we don't have to ship, woo, we don't have the banks open, we don't have anything we're going to be doing all day, I intend on relaxing all day long. I do have some work to get done, but I'm going to try to get it done tonight before tomorrow happens. Take that day, write down some ideas, relax, have a drink, have food, hang out with people, and don't work all day. So tomorrow is Veterans Day. Does everybody know the difference between Memorial Day and Veterans Day? If you don't, Memorial Day is memorializing people that died. Veterans Day is for all veterans, the ones that are alive, dead, everything. So that's the difference if you didn't know that. So many people messaged me and asked that. That's really weird. I got like 3 emails about that. Anyways, yeah, so veterans, anybody that's in your family, everyone might know both of my family members, my dad and my brother, both did, my dad 24 years or 25 years and my brother 20, just shy of 21 years. And my brother was all Air Force, my dad was half Marines and half Army. So thanks to both of them and to all of you. I know there's a ton of you in the military that watch me, and I know there's a ton of you that have family members in the military or husbands, wives, brothers, sisters, otherwise. Thank you to all of them, and thank you to all of you guys who are my active watchers who may still be in the military, or if you've already retired, thanks for that service then. And enjoy your day, guys. You don't have to ship, you don't have to go to the bank, you don't have to work. Do what I just said, relax, come up with some ideas, come up with some stuff to do the rest of the week. Take tomorrow off to regenerate yourself. See, I've been relaxing too much. And then make the most of the rest of the week, get your work done, make some money, and we'll talk again tomorrow. There won't be a video until late tomorrow night. I'm gonna post this video along with another one later tonight, and tomorrow will be my next video late. So thanks guys so much. I'll see you next time. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you're subscribed to the channel as always. It's over there if you're not. And until tomorrow night, have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you then.